Okay. It's 9:30 a.m. PST, November 14th. So, retail trading, live day trading for MNQ and MES. Let's see. So starting from this morning, seems I missed another 1 million or 1 billion. See, this is a good trend, very obvious trend. So during this trend, it's relatively easy to trade. Um, yeah, this is very obvious. Hmm. Okay, this is sideways. You will never know who gonna win, so stay away. This looks like a reverse triangle. I don't know. I think same pattern. We can see same pattern here. So even something has been passed, that I would like to know. I would like to draw some trend line because that will give me some hints like what today's market looks like because every day gonna be different. So yeah, every day gonna be different. Some days the retest gonna test the ENA 21. Sometimes you're gonna retest a little bit beneath ENA 21. So I wanna get a taste of today's market. So even is already passed, I would like to say this is okay somewhere in the middle. Then you cannot even touch ENA 21. So it coming closer to ENA 21, which means upward momentum becomes weaker. And this one, it touches, sequentially touches ENA 21. So, well, I don't know. It's possible that the uptrend continue, and this is a very good opportunity to get in, go long. But it's also possible, that we can see the upward momentum keeps vanishing. So if we want to confirm downtrend, then we would like to see obviously beneath the ENA 21. Something like this does not count, okay? It's a little bit, it's gonna trick you. So we would like to see it obvious going down and make the ENA 9 coming close to ENA 21 and then come back, retest, and then and show a downward covering candle that covers the previous upward candle. Then we can go short from there. So even a little bit, keep in mind, a little bit exceeds the ENA 21 is not enough. It's not evidence enough, see, to confirm downtrend. See, it bounced back. It just trick you, trap you. Especially there is no, I don't see any ESN NQ divergence here because they move at the same range, either up or down. Yeah, they are on the same range. I don't see any divergence. So there is no information from NQ and ES essentially. So undeterministic state. We cannot say, hey, there is a engulfing, there is a covering candle downward that covers the previous upward. So downtrend confirm no. Whenever this happens in a critical price level, then we can conclude that. But at this level, this is somewhere in the middle. I mean, if this happens at the top, at somewhere here, let me see, 15 minutes. Oops. Yeah, if it happens here, then we can conclude, okay, downward stops, then go short. Even go short, we would like to go short somewhere like here, so that the drop down distance is a little bit above this line, somewhere here, that's affordable if things does not work out. If things do not work out, then the drop down distance is affordable, but otherwise, it happens in somewhere in the middle, that's awkward. Does it say anything? No. Okay, you can see it's a little bit, and this is another like a little bit sideways resistance something. Previous support is current is now the resistance. Okay, that makes sense, but this is too little. So I'm not sure the downward power is the selling power is strong enough. Ideally here, or maybe here, or here. That will make more sense. Let me draw it down. Somewhere. Keep in mind, this is a range. This is not just, you need to precisely align this line. This is a range. Somewhere allow, I mean, somewhere allow there. Oh, damn. Yeah, somewhere allow there, somewhere allow there. Yeah, this is resistance, is later on is support. Okay, perfect. But for this one, this is awkward. I mean, it's awkward position. Can we conclude anything? I don't think so. We'll need to see more obvious momentum. A little bit divergence. See, this upward candle cannot cover this downward. But while for this one, this upward can cover this downward. But it does not say anything. It just say, hey, ES want to go up more than NQ. This is a very dangerous situation that a lot of people say, hey, ENA 9 gonna come in closer and closer to ENA 21. So cross and downward starts and go short, but actually it can like squeeze a little bit, it can sideways and accumulate power a little bit. And then once it accumulate enough power and keep going up. See? Keeps going up and together they cover the previous downward candle. And that's the thing. Dangerous. We'll see. So actually, this is a sideway area. I will not trade during this sideway. Either it break out, obviously, or it goes down, obviously, and retest. That's where we go down. We would like to see. The best way to deal with fake breakout is just let it break out. Just make it real. Make sure it's real. I mean, even you close outside of range, but if it's a little bit, it doesn't count. One, two, three candles doesn't count. At least 5 candles that might count a real breakout. That things are really going towards some direction. Uh, Yeah, no trade during sideways. Even it gradually a little bit a couple of ticks at a time, it gradually go up, it does not count. It, but here at Friday, now today is Friday and it's obviously an afternoon. So that could happen. So probably we don't have entry. We cannot find a nice entry for trade today. I just need to get out early. See, this morning is very obvious. If I jump here or jump here, there is a very obvious signal. But now it becomes something like this. This become a little bit difficult. Hey, I can actually draw the channel. I draw the channel, something like this. Okay. Hey, oh no, this one. Oh, what's going on? And same thing for ES. This is Chan. So especially during this Chan, then is that only means side volatility as long as there's no breakout. It only means volatility is big. See one single Chan and conceals all the channel wise. Oh, it's not that convenient to draw the channels like something like this. Oh my God, this modify something is always blocking me. God damn Jesus. Oh my, how can I? Okay, I delete it. But that could say something, maybe, because it just reached the middle of the chain. And let's see breakout of the chain. We would like to see the breakout of the chain. See, at the bottom of the chain, it bounced back. Hmm. Uh, that means this is like a chain trade, and unfortunately, it's not big enough. It's not big enough. It's not worth to trade sideways. You think the range is gonna be something like this, but actually it's something like this. So if you set up like, hey, going up and you don't set a trailing stop loss, then you enter here, then probably you are already in a loss. Uh, that's the thing. Oh, the breakout of the chain. Breakout of the chain. Let's see. Let's wait until the completion of this candle. Don't conclude too early. Uh, So we would like to see breaks down, obviously. Probably here, this is another like support level, breaks down to this support. At least you should break out this support. break out this trend line means something, but does not mean too much. Besides, ES has not break the trend line. A lot of things, a lot of people will conclude that, okay, it's downward. No, it's too early to conclude that. Always trust that the sideway will go on and on. Always assume that there will be retest rather than go straight up or down. There will always be retest. So you'll see after getting ENA9, it gets rejected. But this conclusion or this rejection is only effective only when the ENA9 cross the ENA21 and becomes the new high. Okay, bounce back and keep sideways. So if you go short, then you get trapped. If you want to do some quick scale, like for 5 to 6 points, then ideally is starting from this candle, you see, okay, it's upward and starting from here and quit something like here, but I will not do that. That's risky. Quick scalping is exciting, but it's more like gambling. If you like exit the trade like 1 or 2 seconds late, then probably like you're gonna turn a profit trade into a losing trade. So I will not do that. I will wait for the completion of a 3-minute candle. And maybe sometimes I will check 5 minute. Okay, if you see 5 minute, that's obviously that is sideways. They just finish a sidewall and gonna get back here and keep sideways. And even is trying to go down, then it requires some time. It requires some time to accumulate power. So no hurry, no hurry. Okay, it seems like no, it has not exist this part. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Let the ENI cross the ENI21 and then wait for the retest and go short at the retest. At this time, it's too early to conclude that, okay, downtrend starts. Okay, maybe I can try a little bit. And my stop loss will be somewhere here. That looks like this looks like a liquidity sweep. But just in case, because this is a resistance, so we'll see this candle. We'll see. Okay, keeps going down. Great momentum, and we'll see about this one. Obviously, there's a RSI divergence. It keeps going down and down and down. We know that RSI divergence under such circumstances could be malfunction because the buying power is just so strong. They just accumulate, pretending they accumulate power. And we'll see this candle. Never rush. Okay, ENI coming close to ENI21. then we'll see this one. This is the next like resistance, or this the next support. And once it break out, then it becomes a new resistance, and we'll go short somewhere around here. But we need obvious downward below this line. This line 184 of a yes is like 772 somewhere. Um, also ISI 40, 45, 43 something. That's fine. Yeah, from time to time, I was like, okay, you're gonna go, you're gonna leave me alone, I'm gonna miss this trade. But from time to time, if I trade here, it will retest somewhere here. So just stick to my limit order. But the thing is, it goes here, but it can get back to here. That's another dangerous signal that probably gonna bounce back. The trend reversal. Okay, it's gonna bounce back because it's too far away from ENNI, and it's just the first breakout for the first couple of retests. It's gonna go above ENA 21. So here is still a very conservative point for entry because it's gonna bounce back above. But if it goes down, oh, it just goes down. What about this one? We'll see. Now to go down is a little bit, okay, yeah, it's coming close to this one. It exceeds this one. 3 and 3. So it goes back. We keep going down or something. It does not exist. For NQ, it already exists this line. Okay, it gets rejected. That means, okay, this support is valid. And for yes, it gets rejected around somewhere here. We just need to see a retest. If we will retest a little bit above ENA 21, pick us up, get us on board. But on the other hand, it's very possible that trend reversal starts from here. Yeah, not there to go short from here because I'm not sure where it's gonna retest. So conservative estimation is like a little bit above ENA 21, but actually I should see it retest and show downward cover candle, our previous one. I just said that limit order somewhere here is pretty much like catching the flying knife. It's a little bit dangerous. You know what? I can maybe set somewhere around here. This is the previous support. So maybe the retest will reach here. And this way, I'll move the next entry. It will retest somewhere here. Oh, we'll keep going up or going down. Okay, I go down, starting from here. Because I think the retest is somewhere here. Yeah, normally we see the breakout candle. We like to see the next candle, and the next candle, something to identify the boundary. So if this candle keeps going up, then maybe the next assumption is something somewhere here. But if this stops to back, then maybe sideways, or after sideways, it goes keep going down. Oh, that's not looking good, but we'll add more around here, waiting for it. But if you see the next candle is starting to moving down, that means okay, the upward momentum probably that's the end. So even it does not reach the ENA 9 or ENA 21, that once it going down, something like this, the ENA 21 and ENA 9 will catch up with the top of this sideway area. I don't know. But it's sideways around here. It cannot even cover half of the previous upward candle. That's not a good sign. Oh, not a good sign. That means there's a probably a retest. I would like to see this downward candle cover the previous one, the previous something, at least 80%. See, as it goes down, then the ENA 21 and ENA 9 will catch at the bottom, the top of the candle. So sometimes we just don't need to wait until the candle really reaches the above the ENA 21 or 9. It's just as the candle moves. We know that this technical indicator is a little bit behind because it's based on statistical something. Oh, that's not good. It looks like it's keeping upward. No, it's not good. It only covers a little bit. Then it means it keeps getting upward. Hmm. Okay, still pushing down. Still pushing down. I don't know where should I set a realistic, like, because this is obviously a RSI divergence and pointing that buying power is vanishing and selling power gets accumulated. So it could flush to here, or it could flush to here, like for something. So in this case, then okay, in this case, I will not set a take profit something. I will use trading stop to trade. Okay, reverse cup and RSI divergence reverse cup from 15 minute Okay, it's in a very small like battle area. Starting from here, it keeps going down. That's reasonable. 5 minute, rest a little bit and then keep going down. That's reasonable. Oh, the profit goal is somewhere here. Let's see the compression of this reverse cup. Nasdaq has reached the bottom, but ES has a little bit. Keep in mind that even is a little bit something like this, when we see ES separately, then we cannot conclude that the Dow trend because it could like bounce back from here as long as this downward candle does not cover this upward. Yeah, it does not cover what's going on. It get pushed back like this. So if you use a trading stop, then probably we will follow the ENA 21. ENA 9 is a little bit risky to get trigger, but ENA 21 gonna be safe. Okay, the selling power is strong at this time. Uh, so when to add a position? I mean, we have already on board, obviously. It's downtrend confirmed. So when do we need to onboard a new add some position? Is well, the logic is like we despite our original position, okay, as assuming that we don't have a position, and we'll see if we're gonna enter a trade like going short, then when's the best time? It's like when you retest the ENA 9 or somewhere between ENA 9 and ENA 21, that's the best opportunity. That's like regardless of our position. That's simply say, hey, as long as we don't have any position, then when do we want to enter? And that's the time. That's the time we add a position. We'll see. At this time, okay, this trend is past. So the best opportunity to enter this trade going short is somewhere around here. This upward candle back retest identify the upper bound of the retest. And this one shows, okay, the end of the retest. And this is like undetermined. Seller, buyer, just fighting. And uh, when it reach, when this candle reaches here, I'm a little bit intimidated that maybe it goes up. Oh, doom. But now with this candle, okay, everything gonna be fine. Everything gonna be fine. Yeah, it exists here, and the next one is here. I believe you can break out because this is a little bit sideways battling. So you will go up, you will go down somewhere here, something. In this battle area around here, like 125, then you're gonna have some sideway, and we'll see if it catches ENA 9, and that's the opportunity we get another entry. We can increase our position. We'll see. Hmm. Yeah, easy breakout because this is just struggled a little bit. There's not that much power. Oh, that's somewhere around here. Something here that some resistance becomes some support, but this support is easy breakout out here. But during here, there are a lot of battle. I will see how the remaining power right there. Another possibility is like just keep going down. Keep going down, like somewhere around here. I will not wait for the profit goal gets triggered. I will like a conservative point is a conservative take profit is somewhere here. Well, it cannot go short this time. As I say, we need to wait for the retest. We need to the logic to add position is when should we enter? If we don't play this, if we don't play this trade, if we don't have any position at this time, so when do we enter? Ask yourself this, and we'll see the when to increase entry. Friday afternoon, there's a flash. Oh, you're gonna bounce back. Ready? Bounce back. Then is previous support is later on is resistance. So bounce back here. Bounce back here. We can still confirm the downtrend. But if we up above here, then we need to be cautious. Oh, it does not even reach here and goes down, which means the downward momentum is still huge. It's still huge and it's not gonna retest. Retest means multiple candle, upward candle covers this downward candle and somewhere catches the ENA 9 and somewhere arrival between ENA 9 and ENA 21. Then we want to see a downward cover candle. That's where we enter. We add a position. We'll see. Oh, very strong retest. There are 2 minute, and this 3 minute candle is already covered previous one. Okay, it's very strong. Very strong resist, very strong support here. Huh? It looks like we also have very strong resistance here. So probably we can sell something here. See if we're gonna retest again. Uh, yeah, even it's a little bit distance from ENA 9 and 21. Then keep in mind as a sharp drop, sharp flush, then these two lines will gonna catch up with this point. So probably this is gonna be the peak. I don't know. So if we put it here, then chances are that we missing this entry. But that's why be conservative. Oh, keeps going up. And set it around in a 9. Keeps going. Okay, it seems like you cannot push R anymore. Hmm. Okay, we enter. Things not looking good. It keeps going up, and the back retest gonna somewhere between here. It's downtrend, obviously. This is another support, so it's possible that it bounce back. So we are not sure if this is a retest or trend reversal. So hold the position. Oh, it looks like it just triggered the ENA 9. Okay, then we need to set the limit order at ENA 9. Just keep our principle. Don't fail or missing out because we already have some conservative position right there. But now it's fine. Let's see this candle. Okay, pushing downward. So this back retest is just arriving ENA 9. That means the selling power is becoming stronger and stronger. See, is this back retest is pretty much like a liquidation speed. It is above way above ENA 21, and this is like not arrive ENA 21, and this just triggers arrives ENA 9, which is already some distance with ENA 21. So the selling power is becoming stronger and stronger. This is a statistics. Who knows? It's risky to add some position here because it's too close. And see, it's coming. It keeps going up. Oh god. Hmm. Wait. This looks like a. Let's see here. Retest to ENA 21. If we close above ENA 21, that might potentially be a trend reversal. Let's see if it reaches to the dam here. This is a little bit risky at the position because the hypothesis is like it cannot exceed the top of the handle cup. This is a reverse handle cup, so it cannot exceed here. So after I add this position, then the average price gets a little bit upper, but if it exceeds and close above, then probably I need to quit with some loss. Turn a winning trade into a losing trade. Oh, it exceeds. That's not good. So the RSI divergence is actually a trap. They are accumulating power. RSI arrives here. RSI to here. And where is it? Okay, it's almost the place. Oh my God, this upward candle is so strong. Let's see. 1 minute. Okay, now there is some defense at the peak of this handle cup. Okay, that's good. That means the downtrend still valid. It's the retest ends here. Hmm. In that way, I'll probably set up buy somewhere here. 9. This is risky. If he like covers this retest, this is a retest, then at least you will go here, which is the range of this retest. Oh, but things are not looking good. It gets pushed back. Oh, as long as this candle can cover this candle, then the downward is confirmed. Otherwise, this is still like retest. The uptrend still valid. So this is very sensitive, I'm very nervous, intimidating. We'll see. Because I think the downtrend is confirmed. So I go short. This is a deep retest, obviously. Go above, as I think. Go above the ENA 21 with such a huge upward momentum, upward candle. And that could easily trap a lot of people. I mean, I'm convinced that it's already arch. Okay, keep going down. Very nice. Okay, wonderful, wonderful. And uptrend confirm. Yeah, uptrend confirm, and it can at least arrive here, which is the path. Oh, you're gonna bounce back sideways. Oh no. Oh no. All right, retest ENA 9 and get rejected. Keep going down. Good. That is what we expect. Yes, I don't get any heuristic. Too many heuristic is in the same range here. It does not say, hey, NQ is still in the middle of the range. Then ES is already breakout. That means that confirms the downtrend. No, you see, they are in the same range. No heuristic. Sideways, metal. I don't know. But the position is pretty big. See, this is already 30% threshold. And this is profit goal. Oh my God. Come on. Downward candle already covered. So seller should take control of the market. Why you don't go down? Still sideways, I'm intimidated. But ES is showing like still down. Oh, middle, down. I don't know. I would like to see a stop loss somewhere here. Make sure I don't lose at least. And a little bit greedy, I just think of, okay, there is a big flush somewhere here. Then I can pass my evaluation today. But I get a liquidity sweep somewhere around here and kick me out of the trade. So that's the thing. I'm greedy. Okay, it shows like ES is already like meaningful downward cover this candle. So this NQ is fall behind. So NQ should cover this candle following ES because this overall is downtrend. Okay, downward candle. It's resistant here. Get rejected by ENA9. The deep retest a little bit above ENA21 is expected. It does not exceed the peak of the handle, reverse handle. And this way, I would say downtrend continue. So that's why I hold my position. Then it just still like sideways accumulating power. Okay, restart the journey. Going. This is a big flush, and hopefully we can pass the evaluation today. I'm gonna set a stop loss by like 9. Trading stop loss. Make sure we don't lose. At least we don't lose. Okay, you see ES is already breaking out the range. Oh, it gets back. Yeah, breaking out, so NQ should follow. Be patient. It takes some time to arrive here, and trigger our take profit. And the reason I set a stop loss, trading stop loss here at this point is like, if it goes on this ES as it already exists and the NQ is finished huge like reverse cup and you can still retest to here. That means potential like trend reversal. They are gonna take the profit and run and leave the trade. And I don't move it here because before it ends, it's possible. Before this candle ends, it's possible that you retest here. I will see. It could probably like retest ENA9 multiple times. But since it just retest ENA21, so it should not retest ENA21 recently. I mean, this retest is done as I hypothesis, as I assume. Hmm. At the bottom of the cup, that's still some struggle back and forth. I'm gonna retest ENA9. Okay, test the previous candle. And yeah, if you go down, then this peak test the ENA9. That's correct. Keep going down. Um, it's just 1 minute for this 3 minute chart. So let's see 5 minute. Okay, actually we can move trading stop loss based on 5 minute chart. What do you think? Like we remove a line the top of here. See the 5 minute. Let it go, let it go. Back test and long upward tail shadow line. That's a good sign. Still want to fight back, but no more power. Okay, seller take control, going down. Some resistance around here. That's understandable. Oh, sideways. You're gonna sideways here. And things become undeterministic. I want to secure my profit here. This is sideways. And that means it could bounce back, trend reversal. You can think of it as accumulating power. So I will be more aggressive trading the stop loss. Seems the ENA 9 is already here. So if it triggers and keep me out unhappy, it's very difficult to break out this support. Previously, this is resistance. Now it's a support. How strong is the resistance means how strong the support gonna be. So we'll evaluate if the support is strong enough, potentially it's trend reversal. Overall is uptrend, right? Oh, it's really trend reversal. Almost kick us out. But wait, it's not ending. Retest ENA9. So this is really challenging my mental capacity. Okay, the God gave me, leave me survive, let me survive and not get kicked out. It's almost. I hope this is the peak. I hope this is the end of the retest. I hope this is the end of sideways. But I don't know. It seems like the buyer is pretty strong. Oh, I get kicked out. I get kicked out. There was once a ton I can make $1,000. I don't take profit. I thought I gonna pass the evaluation today, but no. And I get kicked out. And it looks like, yeah, once I get kicked out, it seems like it's going the trend reversal. And at this time, I just lose the the best entry. So if I realize that okay, some resistance here, I go here, then the drop down distance is something like here, something like here. So it's affordable. So I can try a little bit a small position to go up. But now I cannot go up here because the drop down distance is so big. Something like this. So I lose this opportunity for the perfect entry, and this looks like a double bottom. Then the overall uptrend keeps going. This is like a little retest, double bottom, and I don't know. I guess I just finish this trade. I will just call it a day today. Oh, it retests ENA 21 again and keep going down. No, I cannot go short here. If I want to go short, I want to go in here. Go short at the bottom. That's not good. We need to go try to go short at the peak at least. Hmm. See. Hmm. So 37. Let's see. 500, 470 points and 532, and that's good. Like 500, but hmm. The thing is that we will once reach like something like this, 5,000 to 52,000 almost, but we don't take profit, so we lose like 700 something. It counts in my trading stop loss position. So the lessons I learned is like, okay, I already realized that there will be a potentially there will be a strong support here because there's previously a strong resistance. So there should be a strong support. So at a strong support, I should take profit. And something happened like this. It can go through and break out the strong support in one shot. That's possible. But um, what happens is like this. This is some very strong defense. Then you're gonna bounce back, trend change, and I lose this profit, and I lose the entry opportunity to go long. So I should take profit somewhere here, and if there's any um clear signs, I can always re-enter the trade with a fresh mindset. See, because if I in a trade to go short, then I say, okay, you will always go short. You will also go short. The market has a bias towards my position. So I always assume going short. But if I take profit here, I leave the trade here, then I realize this one, okay, maybe from this candle, which is trying to push out and get back, okay, it still goes short, but it does not break out. But here, that means that it's going long. Then I can, yeah, I have a fresh state. At least for this 3, 4 like candle, I would say it should go like long. See, as long as this candle does not cover this one. If we cover this one, then maybe we need to go short again. But anyway, I'm not gonna trade for today. I make $500, but I lose like 700 drawdown distance. Uh, okay, that's all for today.